Have you been searching for the perfect sedan with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2021 Hyundai Sonata SEL Plus in Hampton Gray. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 19-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot monitoring, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 10.25-inch touchscreen, navigation, split folding rear seats, panoramic sunroof, 1.6-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 10074A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.